So hey guys, welcome back to Simply Steph. This is just a little update and on the video that's going up in about 15 minutes. Thanks and enjoy the program. So hey guys, listen, I just wanted to put up this little video to explain that this video for tonight, vlogmas number 6, is a pre-recorded video that I had already up on YouTube. It was just on private. Now I recorded this, I don't know, maybe a month ago, and before I knew anything about vlogmas. So it is a giveaway. It is considered for vlogmas number 6, and all the rules still stand, period. I'm going to try and change the thumbnail. I'm not sure if I can actually do that, but I will absolutely try. And yeah, I just wanted to say good luck to everyone, and you should be seeing the video very shortly. Thank you.